What's up, fellow sawmillers and folks? Hope everybody's doing good and having a great day. It's Sunday down here in Georgia. The temperature's down, low 80s. It's humid though, overcast, cloudy. But hey, this is the fourth log in that set of 4 that I did the other video on. But I wanted to do one on this one by itself because this particular log has a big hole in it. Not quite sure how it's going to come out, but I'm going to try to work around that and get as much out of it as I can. This is what I'm talking about when I mean a hole. This tree's had some damage before, and so it's swelled up, and I venture to say that a lot of this around this is going to be full of sap and heartwood and lighter knot. So but yeah, we're gonna mill this thing up and try to get what we can out of it, and hopefully everybody's doing good. But anyway, I appreciate you watching, and hey, if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate it, appreciate your loyalty. And we're getting close to 900. We've got 839 or something like that. So but thanks for tuning in, and give me a thumbs up and leave a little comment if you'd like to. Let's get to milling and have a great day. As you can see, I made a few cuts there, trying to get down close to that hole. And now I'm going to take these top layers off and just see what it looks like. Hopefully it's, you know, pretty good. But we're going to take a look and see if if I can get this thing to stand up. Man, that is some pretty stuff right there. Let's see what happens when we get close to the hole. Okay, now you can tell we're getting close because here's that, this is loaded with sap right here. This is where getting close to that damage, and you can see what it looks like because something happened to this tree years ago. And you can see what it's doing. Like right here, that's all sap. And then that's how close we are to the hole right there. So I'm gonna flip it and try to cut down to that and see what happens. folks, I think that's about what I'm gonna get out of it. With the hole right there, I was gonna try to get some couple 4-inch strips. He really didn't want 4-inch, but I thought I could get him some trim boards, but it thins up going down on the other side there, and it's just not gonna, I'm not gonna get anything out of it. So I may just cut a couple 4x4 pieces out of the end down there, about 4 feet long. We can use them for something, but got a lot more than I thought I was gonna get out of that log for sure. So there's probably 70 board feet right there. Those are 12 1/4 by 5/4, and they're 10 feet long. And I've still got to resalt all these, so we'll get 100 and something board feet out of that. I'll figure it up, and probably be about 150. So altogether, we ended up with close to 1,000 board feet out of those 4 logs, which was really good. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. You guys take a look at that grain right there. Pretty good stuff. Got a little blue staining in it from the southern pine beetle was getting in it. But have a great day. Thanks for watching.